Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the parking around the destination function in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the navigation view button, and if you scroll down, look for the offer parking around destination button, and in order to enable it, click on the white square next to it, and once it turns green and it says on, it means that the function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.